This video is going to be controversial and I know people are gonna hate me on this, but that fever you think you have should not affect your content creation. Sure, if you are in a hospital, that's a different scenario, but illness is a trick used by resistance to push you backwards from doing what you need to do. Steven Pressfield talks about this clearly on his book, The War of Art. All the diseases we hear today are not real. They are bad circumstances given a name by world-class copywriters to sell medical services. There is no fever or headache for real. It's all what we perceive. If you are a person of competence and high agency, you will get done anything, no matter whether you are sick or not. Sure, there are situations where you are bedridden, you can't move your body, but 95% of the times, that's not the case. In this video, I will share 3 ideas that allowed me to make videos daily even when I'm sick. Now, I can say this because I have been making videos daily by spending 6 to 13 hours a day for the past 90 days, not even one day excluded. So I do know what I'm talking about. Let's get straight into it. Number 1, remove the fancy stuff. When you are healthy and got enough time, you might try to do some experiments and some add-ons to make the video more engaging. When you are genuinely sick or you feel a lot tired because of some travel or some event, you wanna avoid all of them. Have a minimum viable video, like a template you can follow to have a basic video, and just follow through it to make the video happen without taking too much time. Number 2, lower your energy. Having high energy when you talk on camera is great for retaining your audience. It uplifts their energy and make them stick for longer. But that's not necessary for all the time. You can just speak on camera like you talk to your best friend. When you feel like you're sick, lower your energy. Don't really care if the clip isn't so good. If you have this smile, eye contact and articulation well, it is good to go. Number 3, decrease the video length. If you make videos between 5 to 10 minutes, when you are sick, go for 5 minutes. Have a rule where you don't surpass this for more than 5 times or 4 times in a month. This sounds so obvious, but people try to make their best video when their physical health is at its worst. At the same time, some people try to make their whole videos too short because they have some kind of illness every single day. This exercise allows you for flexibility while having the constraint, helping you balance it perfectly. Just give it a try and see how that works for you. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. Like, subscribe, share. Hopefully, I will see you on the next one.